Namaste students, myself Vishnu Samotia, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jayoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Session Benzenoid and non-benzenoid aromatic compound. Student, today now we discuss benzenoid and non-benzenoid aromatic compound. Benzenoid aromatic compound are those compounds which are planar cyclic conjugated as follows Huckel's aromaticity rule 4n plus 2 pi electrons where n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 are known as a aromatic compounds. They give substituted reactions yearly rather than additional reactions and retain their aromaticity. So they are stable due to by resonance and have high resonance energy. The ring current effect is NMR spectrum and chemical shift value obtained as highly distilled air lambda is greater than 6.0 ppm. So the give is specific in UR and IR and 13 is carbon NMR spectroscopy also. So 3 absorption bond observed is a UV visible spectroscopy. So the lambda maximum is equal to 184 nanometer and 203 nanometers and 254 nanometers of bonds. So resonating structure of benzenes. Now we discuss the resonating structure of benzenes are total 5 resonating structure, 2 Kekulé and 3 Debye structures. So the first 3 are Debye structure and after that are Kekulé structure and last is resonance hybrid. So all carbon-carbon bond length are equal to 1.39 angstroms in between double bond and single bonded. So indicate resonance of bits. According to Huckel's rule, 4n plus 2 pi electrons, n is equal to 1, 6 pi electron in benzenes gives nitrations and Friedel-Crafts reactions, etc. easily. So the nitrations acid benzene react with concentration HNO3 and concentration H2SO4 convert to nitrobenzenes and acrylations CH3COCl in the presence of Lewis acid convert to COC3 acetophenone are convert. So distribution of pi molecular orbital in benzene can be shown as a distribution of delocalization of pi electron density in benzenes. So naphthalene, according to Huckel's rule, 4n plus pi 2 electrons n is equal to 2 to 10 pi electrons. So ring are cyclic coplanar having conjugated pi electrons are stabilized by resonance. So ring current effect, therefore aromatics. Okay students, so in the resonating structure of naphthalene are represented in slides. The possibility of the EG aromatization is dihydroderivative and dihydropyridine is easily oxide to the more stable pyridines. So dihydropyridine convert to states pyridines. It is a cyclic, pi bonds are conjugated and follows Huckel's rule having 10 pi electron but due to the junction to trans hydrogen having non-bonded repulsions. So more therefore is a highly unstable and it is not aromatics. Students, 10 alanine are not aromatic structures. When indicated hydrogen of their ring is replaced by bringing methylene CH2 groups having 10 pi electrons and so resonance highly stable and it is the aromatics. Students, 10 aniline and 14 aniline are 14 alanine is a aromatic monocyclic ring is cyclic coplanar having conjugated double bond which delocalization and follows Huckel's rules of a aromaticity. Okay students, so tropone is aromatic due to the electron withdrawing nature of carbonyl group. A systems will be conjugated with a positive charge of carbonyl carbon with 6 pi electron are delocalized protons. So ring structure is tropone. Tropone are electron withdrawing group and aromatic compounds. So cyclopentadiene, it is a cyclocoplanar having 4 pi electron in this ring and it is not conjugated because one carbon is sp3 hybridization, therefore is non-aromatics. So our cyclopentadiene is a non-aromatics, but it is the behavior on an acid for a salt which reaction of based to form potassium salts of the cyclopentadiene, which is the aromatic and negative charge is involved in resonance due to the conjugations. So follows the Hull's rules of aromaticity, where 4n plus 2 pi electrons, n is equal to 1 and 6 pi electrons. So student, it is a cyclic due to the 6 pi electron and are conjugated in pyridines, therefore is aromatic like benzene. So the lone pair of electrons is free, not involved in conjugated, so therefore can be easily denoted to the acids. So and it is the Lewis base and form of pyridinium salt and their aromaticity. So now we discuss distribution of pi electron density can be shown by resonating structure of pyridine. Pyridine convert to pyridinium chloride. रेजोनेटिंग स्ट्रक्चर फॉर 5 मेंबर्ड हेट्रोसाइक्लिक। स्टूडेंट्स अपन नेक्स्ट पढ़ रहे हैं रेजोनेटिंग स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ 5 मेंबर्ड हेट्रोसाइक्लिक। स्टूडेंट्स अपन ने पढ़ा बेंजीनोइड एंड नॉन बेंजीनोइड कंपाउंड, और बेंजीनोइड नॉन बेंजीनोइड कंपाउंड में अपन वो सब कंपाउंड पढ़ेंगे जो एरोमेटिसिटी, नॉन एरोमेटिसिटी एंड एंटी एरोमेटिसिटी शो करते हैं। उसमें अपन ने कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स पहले पढ़ लिए और आप पढ़ रहे हैं ओनली 5 मेंबर्ड रिंग हेट्रोसाइक्लिक कंपाउंड्स। सो 5 मेंबर्ड रिंग्स आर coplanar cyclic having 4 pi electron, but due to the presence of lone pair of electron on heteroatoms of this ring which is conjugated of pi bonds, there are the aromatics. So lone pair is denoted to the rings and show resonance. So following Hull's aromaticity rule, where the 6 pi electron are involved in resonance. Okay students, so 6 pi electron in resonance and present the structure of 5 membered aromatic cyclic X is equal to NH, oxygen sulfur, and pyrrole, furane, thiopene respectively. Like benzene, they are give electrophilic substitution reaction easily. So because benzo-fused heterocycle like benzofurane, benzothiopyrrole and indole are also known aromatic compounds. So students, naphthalene and azulene are 10 aniline allowed to stabilized by the transannular bonds angle. So CS2 brigade structure to the right of the naphthalene in the diagram. It is not exactly planar. So the conjugated of 10 pi electrons is sufficient closely to the planarity and active aromatic stabilization. So the brigade 14 alanine compounds of the far right also is the aromatic properties. Okay students, तो अपने पास एग्जाम्पल्स हो गए कुछ एरोमेटिक, नॉन एरोमेटिक एंड एंटी एरोमेटिक कंपाउंड के, एंड बेंजीनोइड एंड नॉन बेंजीनोइड कंपाउंड्स के। ओके, थैंक यू।